Imagine a powerhouse under the hood that doesn't just move trucks. It moves the future of heavy-duty transport. The 2026 Mack MP8 engine is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. And if you're serious about trucking in America, missing this could mean falling behind. But what exactly makes the MP8 a game changer? And why are fleet owners already scrambling to get their hands on it? Stick around, because what you're about to discover will change everything you thought you knew about diesel engines. Before we dive deep, quick question. What's the most underrated part of a truck? Spoiler, it's not the radio. Think about it. Pause. Got your answer? Good, because the heart of your rig is what powers everything. And today, that heart beats stronger than ever. The core info. Exploring the engine. So what exactly is the 2026 Mack MP8? It's Mack's latest diesel engine, designed with one goal: maximize power, efficiency, and reliability for long-haul haulers across the United States. But don't confuse this with just another engine tweak. This beast packs up to 505 horsepower and an impressive 1,860 pound-feet of torque. That's serious muscle for climbing steep grades or hauling the heaviest loads. But here's where it gets interesting. Mack's engineers didn't just stop at raw power. The MP8 features advanced combustion technology and a new variable geometry turbocharger. What does that mean for you? More torque at lower RPMs, smoother acceleration, and better fuel economy. Quick interjection, light humor. Think of it as the engine equivalent of having your morning coffee and a turbo boost, all in one sip. But wait, there's more. The MP8 uses Next-Gen S CR, selective catalytic reduction, to meet the latest EPA emission standards without sacrificing performance. Translation: it's powerful and green-friendly, keeping your fleet compliant and your conscience clear. Now, here's a critical insight. Fuel economy in trucking isn't just about saving cents per gallon, it's about cutting thousands off annual operating costs. And with fuel prices always fluctuating, the MP8's efficiency becomes your best defense against unpredictable markets. Here's a question to reset your attention. Why do truckers often prefer older engines over new ones? Because of reliability. But with the 2026 MP8, Mack's throwing that stereotype out the window. Let's break it down. The MP8 is built with a robust block design using high-strength cast iron, making it tougher and longer lasting than many competitors. Couple that with an enhanced cooling system, and you've got an engine that thrives in the harshest environments, from icy northern highways to scorching southern deserts. Another breakthrough: Mack's intelligent engine management system. This brain constantly monitors and adjusts engine performance in real time, ensuring peak efficiency and preventing wear and tear before it happens. Plus, maintenance downtime is drastically reduced thanks to longer service intervals. In trucking, time literally is money, and the MP8 helps keep your wheels turning longer. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but how soon can I get this in my rig? And is it worth the investment? Here's the kicker. The 2026 Mack MP8 is already rolling off production lines, but supply is limited. Early adopters are securing units fast because every trucking company knows that staying ahead means having the latest tech. Insert urgency. Don't get caught with outdated equipment that's burning more fuel and spending more time in the shop. This is the moment to future-proof your fleet with an engine designed for the next decade. Think of it like dating. You wouldn't settle for last year's smartphone on a first date, right? Same principle applies here, except this phone moves 80,000 pounds down the interstate. So, what's the real-world impact of upgrading to the MP8? Lower fuel consumption means bigger profits. Enhanced torque delivers better hauling power and safety on those tough inclines. Reduced emissions keep you compliant and environmentally responsible. Advanced diagnostics/downtime, keeping trucks on the road longer. And here's the part most people don't talk about: resale value. Trucks equipped with the MP8 command higher prices. Why? Because buyers recognize the cutting-edge technology and reliability built into every engine. Now, I promised you a cliffhanger. Here it is. Mack isn't stopping with the MP8. Rumor has it that the next generation could feature hybrid technology integrated directly into the engine platform. Imagine combining diesel power with electric torque for even greater efficiency and emissions reductions. If you're serious about dominating the roads in 2026 and beyond, it's time to act. Don't let your fleet get left behind. Check out your nearest Mack dealer, request a demo, or talk to your fleet manager now, because when the future arrives, it won't wait for anyone.